Hey there, friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where cozy meets beautiful, and every room tells a story. I am so excited you are here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, summer farmhouse decor. We're talking bright, breezy, welcoming spaces from your front door all the way to your patio. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a design idea. And if this video inspires you, drop a comment below. I truly love hearing from you. Now, let's get into it. Your farmhouse exterior is the very first chapter of your home's story, and for summer, we want that story to start with joy. Think crisp white or soft board and batten siding, paired with black framed windows for that timeless contrast. Add a cedar wood porch with natural texture, and flank your front door with oversized terracotta pots, overflowing with lavender and white geraniums. A classic lantern pendant light overhead and a simple wreath made of dried wheat and eucalyptus on the front door seals the look with effortless farmhouse charm. Every well-designed farmhouse entryway needs what designers call a command center, a wall that handles all your daily essentials while looking gorgeous doing it. Install a row of shaker-style wooden hooks in a warm walnut or white finish. Hang a woven straw sun hat, a light linen tote, and a set of vintage-inspired brass key hooks. Below, a narrow reclaimed wood shelf keeps things tidy. This is functional design at its most charming. Every item has a home, and the whole wall feels curated, never cluttered. Mirrors are a farmhouse designer's secret weapon, especially in an entryway. Choose an arched or rectangular mirror with a distressed wood or thin black iron frame. Both scream summer farmhouse in the best way. Place it above a slim console table in white or natural oak. Style the tabletop with a small ceramic vase holding dried pampas grass or fresh sunflowers, a tray for sunglasses and small essentials, and a chunky white candle. The mirror bounces natural light beautifully, making even a small entryway feel open and airy. Nothing ruins an entryway's charm faster than a pile of shoes by the door. The solution? A built-in or freestanding shoe cabinet in a painted white shaker style with soft closed drawers. Top it with a linen cushion or a small wooden bench for easy sit-down shoe removal. Layer a jute runner beneath it for texture and warmth. For summer, swap out heavy boot storage for lighter, sandal-friendly cubbies. A small basket underneath the bench is perfect for flip-flops and kids' shoes, stylish containment that actually works for real family life. Your entryway mat is more than just a functional piece. It is the finishing flourish on your welcome moment. For summer farmhouse style, choose a natural fiber doormat in jute or seagrass with a simple striped or geometric pattern. Inside, layer a cotton flat weave rug in cream and sage green for that relaxed summer palette. Add a small potted fern or a trailing ivy on the floor beside the console. Finish with a wooden welcome sign in hand-lettered style, unpretentious, warm, and completely on-brand for that beloved farmhouse aesthetic. Step into the living room and let the summer sunshine lead the way. For a farmhouse living room, your foundation pieces matter most. Choose a slipcover sofa in white or oatmeal linen. It reads as effortlessly casual and is wonderfully practical. Pair it with a reclaimed wood coffee table and a vintage-inspired jute or wool area rug. Layer and throw pillows in chambray blue, soft sage, and natural cream for a seasonal color story. Sheer white curtains let the light pour in while adding softness. Keep accessories minimal but meaningful. A stack of books, a wooden bowl, a simple vase. The farmhouse dining room is the heart of connection, and summer calls for a table setting that feels festive but unfussy. Anchor the room with a long pedestal or trestle table in white painted or natural wood. Around it, mix white slipcover chairs with a wooden bench on one side. That mix of seating is a farmhouse hallmark. For table decor, Think a centerpiece of sunflowers, white dahlias, and greenery in a galvanized metal pitcher. Layer a linen table runner in warm flax, add simple white ceramic place settings, and finish with beeswax taper candles in wooden holders for evening warmth. The farmhouse kitchen deserves every ounce of love you give it. Start with shaker-style cabinets in white or soft sage green with brushed brass or matte black hardware, timeless and endlessly charming. A farmhouse apron-front sink in white porcelain is a must. For appliances, a matte black or stainless retro-style refrigerator adds character without overwhelming the space. A classic 6-burner gas stove in cream or glossy white brings professional function with vintage soul. Tuck a small, elegant espresso machine or drip coffee maker in a dedicated coffee nook, styled with a wooden tray, pretty mugs on hooks, and a small chalkboard menu. Every family needs a room where shoes come off and everyone relaxes, and in a farmhouse home, this space should feel like a warm hug. Mount a flat-screen TV on shiplap paneled wall. The horizontal whiteboards are a farmhouse signature that also frame the screen beautifully. Below, a low TV console in weathered wood keeps it grounded. Choose deep-seated sofas in performance linen or cotton twill, pile them with textured throws in chunky knit or waffle weave, and place a large woven ottoman as a coffee table. This room is designed for movie nights, lazy Sunday afternoons, and pure family joy. In today's homes, one room must do many jobs, and farmhouse design handles this beautifully. Create a home office corner with a small, character-rich desk. Think a writing desk in natural pine or a vintage-inspired piece with turned legs. Add a unique small desk clock in brass or enamel as a charming functional detail, and tuck in a compact, classic-style small radio for background music while you work. Nearby, carve out a reading nook with a built-in bench, floor-to-ceiling open shelves, a soft cushion, and a warm swing-arm reading lamp. Layer a linen throw, and you have a retreat that earns its real estate every single day. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, and Summer Farmhouse style brings an effortless, airy quality that makes it genuinely restful. Start with a wooden or upholstered bed frame in white, natural linen, or soft greige. Layer bedding in crisp white cotton with textural details, a waffle weave coverlet, linen shams, and a chunky knit throw folded at the foot. Keep nightstands simple. A pair of matching wooden pieces with small ceramic lamps and a single stem bud vase. Sheer white drapes billow with the breeze, and a ceiling fan with wood-toned blades keeps the summer air moving gently all night long. A farmhouse bathroom strikes a beautiful balance between rustic warmth and clean, spa-inspired calm. In the shower, subway tile in white or soft ivory with dark grout lines is the gold standard. Simple, classic, and always fresh. Pair it with a brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze rainfall shower head and a recessed niche for your botanicals and apothecary-style glass bottles. At the vanity or wastafel, choose a vessel sink in white ceramic atop a furniture-style cabinet in navy, forest green, or white. Add a framed medicine cabinet mirror and a wall-mounted sconce on each side. Finish with a linen hand towel, a wooden soap dish, and a small potted succulent. The garage is often the most overlooked space in a farmhouse home, but it does not have to be. Think of it as an extension of your home's personality. Install open wood shelving with metal brackets along the walls for organized storage. Use galvanized metal bins and labeled crates for tools, garden supplies, and seasonal items. A pegboard wall in the workshop zone keeps tools accessible and visually tidy. For flooring, a sealed concrete or interlocking tile finish is practical and polished. Add a chalkboard wall calendar for family schedules, hang a vintage-style wall clock, and let your garage become a space that actually makes you smile when you pull in. If there is one space that defines summer farmhouse living, it is the patio. This is where mornings with coffee turn magical and evenings with friends become unforgettable. Define the space with a large outdoor rug in navy stripes or natural jute. Choose teak or powder-coated metal furniture, a dining table with mismatched chairs for that effortless collected look. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead for instant evening magic. Add a galvanized metal planter with herbs, rosemary, basil, lavender, for fragrance and function. A wooden porch swing or a pair of rocking chairs in white or natural would finish the space with that signature farmhouse welcome. Choosing the right colors is one of the most powerful design decisions you will make, and for Summer Farmhouse, the palette is gloriously approachable. Anchor your spaces in white, off-white, or warm cream as your primary backdrop. Layer in natural tones, sandy beige, warm linen, honey wood. Then introduce seasonal accent colors, soft sage green, chambray blue, dusty terracotta, and touches of sun-washed yellow. These are colors inspired by nature, by open fields and clear summer skies. They work together harmoniously and transition effortlessly from room to room, giving your entire home a unified, cohesive story. One of the hallmarks of great farmhouse design is the mastery of texture, and summer is the perfect season to get this beautifully right. Mix materials deliberately. Rough-hewn wood beside smooth linen, galvanized metal alongside soft cotton, woven jute next to glazed ceramic. This interplay is called tactile layering, and it is what makes a farmhouse space feel alive rather than flat. For summer, lean into lighter textures, open weaves, sheer fabrics, natural fiber baskets. Retire the heavy wool throws and bring out the waffle weave blankets and the airy macrame wall hangings. Every material should feel like it belongs to this season. Great farmhouse rooms are built on great foundations, but they are made magical by the accessories. For summer, think a galvanized tin watering can on the kitchen counter holding wildflowers, a wooden dough bowl filled with lemons on the dining table, antique mason jars repurposed as vases, a vintage bread box on the kitchen shelf, hand-thrown ceramic bowls stacked beautifully, and framed botanical prints or watercolor farmhouse art on the walls. These are the items that tell your story, that say someone with warmth and intention lives here. Shop vintage markets, thrift stores, and artisan makers for pieces with real character and patina. Ready to bring all of this to life? Here is your simple action plan. Start by swapping out heavy winter textiles for light linen, cotton, and natural fiber alternatives. Next, edit your accessories. Clear the clutter and bring in 1 or 2 intentional summer pieces per room. Third, add something living to every space, a fresh plant, a bud vase, a bowl of seasonal fruit. Fourth, let the light in by swapping blackout curtains for sheer panels. Finally, layer in scent, a lemon verbena candle, fresh lavender, or eucalyptus in the bathroom. Small changes, big transformation. You have got this. And there you have it, friends. A complete journey through a summer farmhouse home, from the welcoming facade all the way to the dreamy patio. The beauty of farmhouse design is that it meets you exactly where you are. It does not ask for perfection. It asks for warmth, intention, and a little love poured into every corner. Whether you tackle one room or the whole house, every step you take toward this style is a step toward a home that truly feels like yours. I hope this video has given you a spark of inspiration and a clear path forward. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. It genuinely means the world to this channel. Drop in the comments below which space inspired you most. I read every single one. And if you have not already, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas so you never miss a moment of design inspiration. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love, because home is always worth it.